Welcome to the Aldo podcast, where we talk about taxes and money. Today's topic is let's talk about the Employee Retention Credit Moratorium. On September 14th, the IRS enacted a moratorium on new ERC claims, and that was going to be valid through December 31st of this year. So, what does that mean? Well, a moratorium is nothing more than they're taking a break. They're not processing any new claims after 9/14. Why is this happening? The reason why this is happening is because there has been a lot of aggressive, the whole time really, since this thing has been into existence, a lot of aggressive marketing companies out there telling people they can get a boatload of money and it's easy peasy and you can get a lot of money, some instances even fraud. So the IRS is actually pumping the brakes, and the objective is number one is they're gonna take longer to process ERC claims. So in the past they were aiming at about 90 days to process an ERC claim. Now their target is about 180 days. So this is gonna take them. They're taking the time to do a little more scrutiny, double check, make sure that these type of claims are valid and not bogus. Um, so that's what's going on. Also, they're implementing best practices so they can mitigate or minimize these type of fraudulent claims. That's the main reason why. Now, how is that going to affect you as a business owner? So let's divide that into three parts, right? The first one is going to be uh, people that are, business owners that already filed, claim, got their money. So if that's you, the only thing that you need to be concerned about is having supporting documentation. So you file, you got your money, you have supporting documentation because actually statute of limitations on these type of credits is going to be 5 years, not the standard 3 years. So you need to have all your documentation just to make sure that if you get audited, you can support that if you're okay with it. The second group of people is, let's say you file, recently, right before September 14th, they're gonna process your claim. It's just gonna take about 6 months, maybe longer. I mean, they're gonna keep things updating. It's the IRS, so I would definitely, definitely. Let's say, for example, if you file your claim on September 1st, so we're looking September, October, November, December, you're probably going to be looking at your refund or sometime around March. So I would adjust my cash flow projections accordingly, so you know when you're getting that money. Now, if you file on September 15th or you haven't filed yet, uh, what's happening is, I mean, you can still send your claim. They're not going to do anything with them. They're just going to sit there. And hopefully, you're going to start processing the claims after January 1st. So you can still do that. Definitely, if you haven't filed or claim your credit and you do believe you qualify for it, get moving. The expiration date on that window is going to be April 15th of 2024. And for claims for the year 2021, it's going to be April 15th, 2025. So especially for 2020, in which you can get up to $5,000 credits per employee, the window's closing, tax season is coming around, and so resources for CPAs or other companies that provide that type of service is going to be very limited. So I would say, get moving, get this done ASAP. So how serious is this moratorium? Well, just to give you an example, on December 6th, the IRS announced that they're sending out 20,000 letters basically telling people that their claims are not valid and they're not going to get any money. So this is how serious it is. The IRS is taking it very seriously, and I wouldn't be surprised on a surge on audits that will be happening in 2024. So again, I repeat again, I'm sorry, but make sure if you got your credit and you got your money, make sure that you have all your supporting documentation ready and available just in case um, you're selected for an audit. Now, if you need more help trying to figure out whether you qualify or not for this credit, I'm going to add a link here that has a questionnaire that will help you determine whether or not you qualify for this credit. Now, if you file your return, I mean the claim, but you're not quite sure if you actually qualify or not. That's just not getting, you're not getting warm and fuzzies on the person that helped you out or the company that helped you out. Reach out to me. We can take a look at your claim, and I'll give you a no obligation consultation on my end. If you like the content of this channel, please like, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate it. Till next time.